Hi, Nick. Are you ready for our trip to France?
I'm excited, but honestly, I'm a bit nervous about ordering food. I've never done that in a foreign country before.
Don't worry, it's not as scary as it seems. The key is to be prepared. Have you thought about learning some common menu terms?
Not yet. What should I focus on?
Start with basic words for meats, vegetables, and cooking methods. For example, in French, poulet means chicken, boeuf is beef, and grillé means grilled.
That's helpful. Should I bring anything with me?
Absolutely. A phrase book or a translation app can be a lifesaver. They can help you understand the menu and communicate with the staff.
Good idea. What about greetings? Do I need to learn those?
Definitely. A simple bonjour to say hello and merci to say thank you can make a big difference. People appreciate it when you make an effort to speak their language.
Got it. So understand the menu, use a translation app, and learn basic greetings. Anything else?
Yes, relax and enjoy the process. It's part of the adventure.
Okay, Mark. Let's say I'm at a restaurant. What's the first thing I should do?
Start by asking for the menu. You can say, "Can I see the menu, please?" Or, "Do you have an English menu?"
What if they don't have an English menu?
Then you can use your translation app or ask the waiter for help. Most people are happy to assist. Once you're ready to order, you can say, "I'll have the please," or "Could I get a..."
What if I want something specific, like a steak cooked a certain way?
Great question. You can say, "I'd like it medium rare, please," or "Can I have it with rice instead of fries?"
That's simple enough. What about drinks?
For drinks, you can say, "I'll have a glass of water," or "Could I get a soda, please?" If you want to try the local wine or beer, ask for recommendations.
Got it. How about desserts?
Just ask, "Do you have any desserts?" or "What do you recommend for dessert?" Easy, right?
Yeah, it's starting to feel less intimidating. What if I'm not sure what to order? Should I ask for recommendations?
Absolutely. You can say, "What do you recommend?" or "What's popular here?" This is a great way to discover local specialties.
What if I have dietary restrictions? How do I ask about ingredients?
You can say, "Does this dish contain nuts?" or "What's in the soup?" It's important to be clear about your need.
And when it's time to pay?
You can say, "Can I get the check, please?" or "What's the total?" If you're not sure about tipping customs, just ask.
These phrases seem really practical. Thanks for breaking it down.
My pleasure. You'll do great.
Mark, do you have any final tips for me?
Sure. First, always smile and be polite. It goes a long way.
I'll keep that in mind. What if I don't understand something?
Don't be afraid to ask for clarification. You can say, "Could you repeat that?" or "What does that mean?"
That makes sense. Anything else?
Yes, stay relaxed. Even if you make a mistake, it's okay. People appreciate the effort, and you'll learn as you go.
I feel more confident already. Thanks for the encouragement.
You're welcome. Remember, it's all part of the experience.
Mark, what if I want to try a dish I've never heard of before? How should I handle that?
That's one of the best parts of traveling. Ask the waiter about the dish. You can say, "What does this dish taste like?" or Is this a local special?
And if I don't like it after I order,
That's okay too. Sometimes you discover something amazing, and other times it's just an adventure. It's all part of the experience.
I guess being open-minded helps.
Exactly. Food is a big part of culture, so trying new things is a great way to connect with the place you're visiting.
What if I have an allergy? How do I explain that?
Be clear and direct. Say, I'm allergic to peanuts. Does this dish contain any? If you're unsure, ask them to double check.
Should I learn how to say it in the local language?
Yes, that's a good idea. It can avoid confusion and ensure your safety. Practice the phrase or have it written down to show the staff.
That makes me feel more confident. Thanks for the tip. What if I'm ordering for a group of friends?
Sure, start by asking everyone what they want. Then, when it's your turn, say, we'd like to order, and list the items. If you're sharing dishes, you can say, we'll share the you.
What about splitting the bill?
Just ask the waiter, can we get separate checks? Or can we split the bill? It's common in many places.
What if I order the wrong thing or there's a mistake?
Stay calm and polite. Say, excuse me, I think there's been a mistake. I ordered. Most of the time, they'll fix it for you without any trouble.
Good to know. I'll remember to be patient.
That's the spirit. Mistakes happen, and they're just part of the journey.
Mark, I just realized something. All these tips make me feel like I can handle this.
That's the idea, Nick. The more prepared you are, the more you'll enjoy the experience.
Thanks for all the advice. I'm excited to put it into practice.
You're welcome. Let's make this trip unforgettable and delicious.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this conversation practice and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more English practice. Don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.